this is 2.8 Mercedes ML350. I will try starting this morning. It does have starting a lot. Okay, and I tried troubleshooting it with a scanner, and here's the fault it keeps giving me. And it keeps showing me crankshaft position sensor A secured. Okay, because it was parked for long, you could see that rats have done a lot of nonsense here though, but that's all the same. So I have to loosen all those compartments, and I have to loosen the cam sensor. There's where the cam sensor is. Just on the tip inside there, just in between the gearbox. Okay. So what we do, we have to loosen the crankshaft sensor here. There's the crankshaft sensor. Okay. So it looks like we would change this. Yeah, it's a socket of the crank sensor. I think it's broken, so it might be the cause, or the sensor is bad. So all I will do is get another sensor, then replace it and see if it works.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos.